We're still in the thick of flu season and the numbers just keep climbing. Last week, another person here in Lexington died from the flu. That makes 4 people just here in the Bluegrass, one of them being a child. The CDC is reporting more than 100 children have died from the flu in the U.S. As LEX 18's Claire Kopsky reports, that makes this the worst flu season for kids in a decade.
So the soonest a child can get it is 6 months.
Pediatrician Dr. Katrina Hood wishes all parents would heed this recommendation for the flu shot.
We're seeing a lot of kids who've had the flu vaccine, who've had the flu, but I will tell you they look a lot less sick than those that have not had the flu vaccine. So they're already ahead in their ability to fight it. And so many of these kids may or may not even have fever, which is what we almost always think of with flu, is you've got to have a fever, but not always.
With the CDC reports marking this flu season as the worst in a decade for kids, Dr. Hood says parents need to pay close attention.
So I think when we hear about these really sad cases of pediatric deaths, the question is, well, what happened? And the vast majority, it's going to be something related to breathing.
She says if your child is making extra sounds when breathing, it's worth visiting your pediatrician. For those older than infant age, you can help during the rise of the flu cases as well.
Get vaccinated so when you do catch it, it's less. Hand wash is still the most important thing. Everybody always talks about that. You don't realize how long a virus can live on a surface after somebody has been by it. So doorknobs and phones and those sort of things that people touch all the time where we can pick it up. So you're constantly exposed even if you feel like you haven't been around somebody sick.
Do your part to keep yourself and others from contracting this sometimes deadly virus. In Lexington, Claire Kopsky, LEX 18 News.